morning. We are in central Victoria today. We're just here for an overnighter. We're on a private property. It's 247 acres at the base of Mt Korong. It's a mix of revegetation and conservation area, and basically we are allowed to camp wherever we want. So we've chosen to camp by this beautiful dam. We've got our own little fire pit here. We've got the dogs, so yeah, let's get set up.
In the light of this moon, my mind keeps searching, but my heart decides. Thoughts can be cruel, they're not mine to own. The space unravels when you let go. What's yours, it ain't mine. That energy goes today. The feather in the fire will blow.
Oh, you're such a good helper. So we've just got the tent. I actually bought this tent to do some solo camping with Zusi, and I'll sleep in there with the dogs tonight, and Rick will have the 1100, 23/0 1100. So yeah, I reckon we'll be pretty comfy. What do you reckon?
Me? Yes. I'm going to be exceptionally comfortable.
Yeah, because you're going to be by yourself. I'm going to have the two wriggle worms. I love this thing. It's oilskin on one side and this beautiful patterned canvas on the other. So I also have a new bit of kit to try it tonight. I bought myself one of these nature hike stretchers, mini stretchers. So first time using it, still has a tag on. So there you go, that's pretty cool. It's a nature hike stretcher. So I think I'll probably sleep along the edge there and the puppies can have the front.
What are you using?
So the owners have a pile of firewood up near the shed. So yeah, $25, and that fills a wheelbarrow. So we measured up the wheelbarrow, paid our $25, and we're just going to empty it out of the shed. Yeah, there we go. So that'll keep us going. Yeah, that will keep us going for tonight. Well, we're just about set up. So we've got tent and swag, kitchen set up, chairs are set up. Rick's just chilling over there in the shade. Oops, there he is. And I have got the kettle on, and I think we'll have some lunch.
I'm not afraid of losing what I've found. If all the fallen pieces hit the ground, I see it in your eyes, my lover and my bride. Our love's a steady tide. A story speaks and silences my doubt. The wind may blow, but he's built this house. Your voice so soft and strong, my husband all alone. Our love's a steady song. And I lay down everything, every part of me, I'm yours. Oh.
So we thought we'd take advantage of the beautiful surroundings and just go and explore the property. So off we go for a walk then. What do you reckon? It's a yes from Scoob. It's a no, I'd rather sit in the shade from Zena. And it's a only if you make me from Rick.
Yeah, that's about it.
Through everything, here we stand, hand in hand. I've waited for a love that outlasts time,
I wonder what those birds are.
praying for a soul that bears mine. From the stars, together not apart, our love's a steady heart, and I lay down everything, every part of me.
Such a beautiful property. It's quite diverse too. It's got your tea trees, it's got your gums, different kinds of gums,
Grasslands.
grasslands, wetlands,
Yeah.
lots of revegetation. Yeah, beautiful. We'll definitely be coming back here.
Yeah, very cool place.
There's Mt Korong. Look at that rock formation. Yeah, pretty cool. What do you think, Scoob? Yeah, whatever, Mum. He's a bit bigger than her, isn't he?
You don't notice it when you're just, flopping around in the backyard or at home, but when they're walking side by side, he's 3-4 inches taller than her to the shoulder.
You're a big boy, Scooby-Doo.
He's a giraffe. Where there's water comes down here fairly regularly, I'd say.
Yeah.
Looking up through the trees there.
Look at that beautiful ochre colour. Very cool.
It would actually look really good because, like the water, you can see where the water comes all the way across the rock.
Yeah, yeah.
So to watch it, like when it's flowing, it'd be awesome.
Yeah, absolutely. Very pretty. Let's just put some more double-sided adhesive on these lights because they fell out. So yeah, he's put some stronger stuff on there and about to plug them in, and voila.
The moment of truth.
We hope. And woohoo!
Hey.
So that's breakfast. Let's see if we can find. Oh, are you helping? What's in here? What if Mummy forgot? What if Mummy forgot your dinner? Oh, there's all sorts of things in here. But no. Oh my goodness.
Where is it? Is it there?
I actually think I might have forgotten.
Oh no. Oh, you're being serious?
Well,
Yes.
yeah. Oh no, here it is.
Oh, Scoob.
There we go. What's that?
Oh,
There we go.
Happy puppies.
All right, how'd you get? Look. Oh no, yes, there's treats in there as well. Come on then. Come on. Come on. Sit. Good puppies. Good puppies. There you go. Good babies. So over in that tree, I'm not sure if you can see it, there's a little willy wagtail. And we've been hearing this rattling noise and wondering what on earth it was. But apparently, willy wagtails, oops, are very out of focus. Still, oh, there we go. Willy wagtails defend their territory by making a rattling scold. So yeah. I really hope you can hear that. That's so cool. I had no idea that willy wagtails did that. Did you?
No, not whatsoever.
So tonight for dinner we are having Chinese hot pot. We tried this at home the other day, so I've just brought with me some broth which is melting in the transier at the moment. That's a recipe from, I think it's called the Woks of Life. Just chicken bone broth with some star anise, cloves, garlic, ginger, cinnamon I think, and a few other herbs and spices. Zeusy, get out of it. This is the dipping sauce, and that's oyster sauce, light soy sauce, sesame oil, sesame seeds, and spring onions.
Spring onions, yeah.
Smells amazing. And over here we just have a heap of veggies, some broccoli, some carrot, some zucchini, some spring onions, what are they called? Snow peas.
Snow peas, that's it. Yep.
Mushrooms. And here we've got some really thinly sliced beef, chicken, and some prawns. So fingers crossed it's going to be as nice as it was when we had it at home the other night. So yeah.
Kids in a picket fence sounds good to me. Growing old hand in hand is all I need. As the years go by, we might get older, but
So Rick's just got the drone up, and the owners told us when we got here that to be careful because there are a pair of resident eagles and they don't like drones, and they've taken them down a couple of times. So yeah, we'll see how this turns out.
my dear, I will be yours year after year. Looking at all we've done, we've had it good. When nothing else seemed to last, our love it stood. As the years go by, we might get older, but love will grow stronger. I don't need more time to know that forever, love, you will be mine through it all, my dear. I will be yours year after year.
Well, this is the three of us in our little tent. Got Scooby-Doo down there. Where are you? There you are. We've got Xena down here. Rick's outside just putting the fire out. And this is my bed here. So, good night. I'll see you in the morning. No, Xena puppy. No, Zeusy. He's licking his paw. No, possum.
Oh, brother.
Have a good sleep. Oh my goodness, Scooby didn't want breakfast. He was pouring in his bowl. So I lifted it up for him. And there he is tucking in. We don't have fussy pooches at all. All spoiled. Can I put it down, buddy? There you go. Good man.
Just like an old battery, Mum. I needed a jump start.
I know how he feels. And how are you?
Yeah, I'm okay.
We just had a bit of an accident with one of the poop bags that broke. And yeah, it was nasty.
Can I say, biodegradable poop bags are a really good thing.
They're dog bags, not
Dog bags.
Yeah, just making that clear.
Yes.
Dog poop bags.
Dog poop bags.
Almost lunchtime, and we're just putting the final touches to the pack up. Well, Rick is, I'm not. I don't know how he manages to squeeze all of our stuff into the car without a trailer, but he does. So yeah, this has been a really great night. Spectacular property. Really love it. We'll definitely be back here. So thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we did being here, and we'll see you on the next one.